Hey peoples, Glacio fridge I bought off eBay. It's a little two-door one I keep in my car, camper. Freezer works perfect. Got to put these lugs on here to keep the doors closed, so off the back of a toilet cover off the ute. Gets down to 20 degrees, minus 20 degrees. On 12 volts, works really good. Had a bit of trouble with the fridge, not cooling enough. But once I put these two fans on the back, everything's down to 0 degrees at 6. So yeah, before it used to get 2 degrees at the back, but at the front here on the egg shelf, it was still like 12 degrees. But once the fan's on there, it's 2 degrees all over. Thank you.